When the Dow Jones Industrial Average drops more than 1,000 points as the stock market opens, it's not surprising that many investors are stunned and worried about what this means for their own portfolio. It is the largest point drop ever for this major U.S. stock market average, and the other U.S. stock market indexes have also plunged dramatically. But is this really as bad as Black Monday? That's what some in the Chinese media started calling it, harkening back to that day in October 1987 when stock markets around the world crashed and the Dow Jones Index lost almost 23% in one day. This latest global sell-off started in China with the Shanghai Composite Index down more than 8%, but that's not a stock market crash, at least according to most market watchers. There is a difference between a stock market correction and a stock market crash. A crash happens when stock prices plunge more than 10% in one day. Granted, crashes are very scary and pretty rare. A correction is a natural part of the financial markets. It's called a correction when the stock market declines 10% in a relatively short period of time, and that's what we've seen recently. This August could mark the biggest monthly loss in about 6 years for the major U.S. stock averages. But most economists say this is not like the financial crisis of 2008-2009. We are not heading into a recession. A correction or a pullback is not a reason for investors to panic. When you have a long period of time when stocks keep going up, a bull market, it is inevitable that stocks will pull back or correct at some point. It can be good news because after a correction, the market often regains its footing, and many stocks reach even higher levels after the market correction. Even if stock prices fall further, the market could make up these losses and then some in the next several months. And if you sell, you'll miss out. So keep your emotions in check and make sure that you're investing in a mix of stocks and other types of assets that's based on your appetite for risk and the financial goals you've set for different stages of your life. That's the strategy that should guide your next move.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and then click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.